We bless the Lord for this time. I'm with a great man here. And God is faithful. No, I want to say everything is beautiful. It's in all season. You know, sometimes you will feel discouraged seeing other people achieving before you. You know, sometimes you'll feel you're putting more effort, but the output is not satisfying. Sometimes you'll feel as you are pushing toward your businesses, your relationship, your academics, but you see as if things are not responding to the effort that you are putting. I want to say to you, please apply yourself to the process of time. Because once you pass that process, God is faithful. God is not a man that he should lie. God sees your effort. God sees that you are pushing. God sees that what you desire. It's just that God doesn't want to give us a microwave success. God doesn't want us to be like mushrooms, just to appear, because the greater speed you appear, it will be a greater speed going down. But those who have applied themselves to the processes of time, God will make sure that your efforts are kept. Your effort will be rewarded one day. Keep on supporting that family. Keep on being the light when you need light yourself. Keep on showing love when you need love yourself. Keep on supporting people when no one is supporting you. Keep on praying when you feel like prayer is no longer working for you. Keep on being strong for people, but they are not strong for you when you need them. Because when God is about to make you and to raise your sphere of influence, he will make sure that you pass those tests so that when you are shaken, you can be used well. Even the doctor, when he gives you a medication, he said, shake it well before use. People don't trust something that they've never shaken. People don't trust anything that they've never seen standing the test of time. People don't trust anyone or anything that they've never tried. No, it is a process that you must pass, so that when we are chopped there, achieve great things in life. A trophy of success. The reason why God is making sure there is no help for you, Dr. Martin, I always say, if uDavide on the day kuphuma ibhele nengonyama kube ehamba nabangani bakhe ayengekaphumi, but ngoba kunezimpi okumele ubhekana nazo wedwa, kunezimpi where God will never send help, kunezimpi uNkulunkulu will make sure, kunama seasons where God will make sure ukuthi no one is taking your call, so that when you are top there, no one will say, I help you. God is making intentionally that people that they are not responding to your help, they are not responding to your message, so that when God has placed you enough, they will say, we missed the chance. It happened to Joseph. Joseph wazalwa nabafowabo, walala nabo endlini eyodwa, wadla kanye nabo. Lithi iBhayibheli, when he told them about his dreams, they say, here is a dreamer now. Lithi iBhayibheli, uNkulunkulu wafenza nje, wathatha the same man that they despise in his family, wamenza a prime minister of Egypt. Manje uma sebefuna ukubona uJoseph, they need to make an appointment. When they went to Egypt to make to buy food, they could no longer recognize Joseph. I pray that may God repackage you, so that your enemies, those who dump you, those who never took your call, when they meet you somewhere, they will never recognize you. This is Joseph. But we don't see you have changed. What you have meant for bad, God turn it around for good. I pray for your life, I pray for your business, I pray for your relationship, I pray for your family, I pray for your life, I pray for your parents, I pray anything that pertains to your name. Allow the process of time to take its course. Allow God to put you through those tests. Allow God, listen to me, allow God because you don't owe anyone an explanation later. Ayikho into emnandi njengokubusiswa uNkulunkulu esikhathini sakhe ngoba nabantu ababecabanga ukuthi ngeke ufike kwilevel yabo uma usufikile, don't be excused. I'm saying this today. Right now, people are abantu bakhomba kanje. But who are you? But tomorrow they'll be receiving that. But how are you? Because when the turnaround comes, when the account comes, when the blessing comes, it makes those who despise us want to get associated. And let me tell you advice: don't bring them close. Love them from afar, because their chance came, they blew it. Their chance came, they shifted away. Keep those people who were there during your pain season. Keep them in your blessing season. Never make new friends when you start to make money. God bless you. One woman, one mission, settle, make money, enjoy life, love God. You'll be happy for the rest of your life. God bless you.
That was so powerful. Amen. So God will change you. Who are you to how are you?
Yeah, God will change you to who are you and say how are you.
Yeah. That was so powerful. Guys, there you have it. We have evangelist Gambushe. Very powerful word, guys. I hope you guys learned a thing or two from the things that were spoken. That God makes everything beautiful in its time, and allow the process of time to take its course, and God will surely bless you. Have a beautiful evening and keep blessed, guys. I'll save the live for those who actually came in late so that you can see it from our DMs, from our lives. Sorry.
Salute.
Yeah, boy. That was so powerful.